If you're always switching tools, hoping one will fix your business, this channel is not for you. Here's why. You're chasing features instead of strategic fit. You impulse buy the latest software or course during a launch because it's hyped or on sale. Then it sits unused. You feel the regret of wasted money and unmet expectations. Your tech stack is scattered. You're constantly relearning new platforms instead of building momentum. The real problem, you're treating software like magic bullets instead of strategic decisions. This channel shows you which tools actually match your business model. I focus on honest reviews built around suitability, not hype. Every review answers one question: is this the right tool for your situation? There's three shiny object behaviors many solopreneurs need to stop. First, impulse buying the latest software or course during a launch, then never using it. Second, buying lifetime deals just because they're cheap, not because they fit your workflow. Third, switching platforms when you see a new feature demo without considering switching costs. Instead, in my software reviews, I'll focus on competitive advantage and strategic fit. I'll tell you who should use a tool, who shouldn't, and why. I'll compare alternatives and identify deal breakers up front. It's fit first reviews that will save you money and switching costs. Stop chasing tools. Start building strategic advantage. Like and subscribe for reviews you can trust.